Who is that I see? Hey!
What's up, guys? We're at dinner. We found some friends. Hey! Who do we have here? And yeah, so we're at an awesome restaurant. Appetizers just came out. This is what we have. You can tell us what we have, Jules. What we have?
We are We are at the Sanctum in Orlando on East Colonial Drive. This is one of my favorite vegetarian/vegan restaurants.
Oh yeah?
These are vegan meatballs.
Wow.
Yes, you would have never thought.
Absolutely.
Over here we have what seemingly look like cakes or crab cakes of some kind.
Oh, that's the polenta, I think.
Yeah.
That's the polenta.
This is the polenta.
Oh yeah,
Exactly
wow.
And then here we have the most delicious thing that JP wanted most.
Oh yeah?
Because he loves potatoes.
I love potatoes.
He loves the potatoes.
Any form, mainly French fries, not gonna lie, he really likes deep fried.
I like them anyway.
But today, we're working with you guys. We know you guys like vegan food, you know, so do I.
Perfect, perfect.
These are the pesto potatoes.
Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, let's dig in.
I know there's broccoli on it and cauliflower. All sorts of good stuff. I'm not as good as describing stuff. This just looks like nachos.
It looks like nachos? Okay.
You're like us. Everything's just delicious.
Yeah, this is delicious.
I'll have some.
Here we go.
This looks delicious.
Perfect. So I got bim bam bap. Some of you have been asking for this dish, and I just got a vegan version of it. We'll see how that goes.
It looks so good.
Yeah. Bim bam bap. Stephanie got.
We got a pesto pasta bowl thing.
Oh, pesto pasta bowl.
I don't really remember, but it's like lots of veggies and
Wow.
pesto.
Looks delicious.
Nick James, you get the same thing?
It's delicious.
Same thing.
Same thing.
What do you
He
know?
copies me because
We
we have the same blood.
That's
And
beautiful.
I went for the Diavolo, and
Oh,
I
wow.
may be saying that incorrectly, but needless to say, this is a pasta dish made out of ingredients that don't include pasta
There you go.
for your face.
That's beautiful.
Actually, I'll take it back. For my face, if you want this recipe, who knows? It might end up on Couple Cook's website.
Wow. There you go. This one I want to try. This one. Pointing it like, just pointing it down, is that going forward?
Yeah.
It goes back.
Yeah, you just want to think flat. Think flat as possible.
Thinking flat.
Think flat.
It's like, put your foot down, man. Put your foot down.
Place both feet at the same time. Ready, set, place
No, it's going backwards. You want to think.
I'm like envisioning my foot feels like it's going forward, but it's not.
JP will get you. You have to hold your foot balanced.
Maybe we should have more people on it, holding Adam here.
Or maybe you should show him how
There
to
you
do
go. Get it on.
There it is.
Yep. Now try to stay focused, flat. Okay. Now lean towards me, like you're a toddler coming after me. Just lean towards. See, now you're going forward, right? Now, if you slightly lean back, you'll go backwards. There you go.
Okay.
I wanna be the very best, and no one ever was.
Now, if you like lean one forward and one back, you'll actually turn. Yeah. There you go. See, you got it.
Oh.
You see? See? Oh. I'm nervous.
I'm a little nervous too.
I'll just go slow.
That's
They see
brilliant.
me rolling, they hate it.
Oh.
Look at the wall. Look at the wall.
Just push up all the equipment.
And the guitar.
Little step. They see me roll. That's all I want to say. That's all I want to say. How'd it go? You impressed?
I'm very impressed. With
Very good.
Good job, guys.
JB's just like, JB's like, this is rolling. Oh yeah.
Now you're just gonna give me anxiety. So funny. But seriously though.
Later.
Don't take out the garbage.
Yeah, like,
La-
you should do a video when it was a ghost or something, so there's like stalking around with like, a sheet on or something. That would look crazy.
What's up, Pippin? Guys, we're in Florida and it's morning. We're up early today. It's about 7:30, 20 to 8. And we're gonna be on iHeartRadio! iHeartRadio! We have monsters in the morning, and so let's head in.
This morning, Drummer Radio 104.1, broadcasting live on iHeartRadio. We want you to text that keyword. Hopefully you'll win that $1,000. You got all day today to do it, right through the News Junkie, right through the Phillips File, and Tom and Dan. You can win $1,000. And I'm really excited to meet our next guest. We've got Stephanie and Adam here, and they have a YouTube channel, and it's amazing. And I know it's amazing because I know how hard it is to actually put together a YouTube channel. And you guys have like 500,000 people on your YouTube channel. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good to be here.
Yeah, so okay, tell me how did the YouTube channel start and when did it start?
I actually started my YouTube channel about 4 years ago. I was in college and nobody knew how to cook, and I was teaching myself how to cook. And I had already loved filming and editing for a really long time.
Yeah.
And then when I got home from college and didn't know what to do with life, I decided I was going to try to teach other people how to cook,
right?
Especially our generation, and how to cook healthy so that they didn't have to go out to eat all the time and eat unhealthy. And so then I didn't even know Adam yet, and then about 2 years later I met Adam, and he was a personal trainer and a professional chef. I was just a home-taught chef,
right?
But he was a professional chef, so we got together and eventually rebranded to Fit Couple Cooks.
What is a little tip that you can tell? Like, my wife and I are really trying
this book looks really cool. It shows you.
Yeah, that's it. So what's a little tip you can give to a guy like me and maybe like a lot of people who are on that edge, that are that haven't just fully committed? Yeah.
Well, the best tip I can give is the recipes that we create are for 4 portions. So if you, let's say on your own, cook meals that have 4 portions, then you can save 3 of them. So you don't have to cook every night, and you also don't have to feel obligated to cook 20 meals on one day.
Right, okay. So how many videos do you put out a week? And it sounds like you found your niche with the meal prep. That was the big, win there. So how many videos are you putting out a week, and what is something that you want to kind of go into next? Maybe something, different.
So generally it's 1 video a week, 1 meal prep video. And then in the future, just reaching out and want to do a lot of stuff with kids and schools and educating children about nutrition. I think we both felt when we were in elementary school and high school, we didn't get that base, and we learnt on later.
Yeah.
And so we want to give back to the kids and help them learn so that they can prep and they can cook.
Yeah.
In Australia, do they have a rectangle pizza that was part of your school lunch?
No.
That was a big day.
I'm looking at the book, and it is really, really professional. Now, did somebody come to you and they're like, listen, we're watching your YouTube channel. It's amazing. We'd like for you guys to do a cookbook. Or did you go, you know what? We're going to make a cookbook. Let's make it look really cool. Was it the cart before the horse? Or?
It was actually right after our wedding. It was a couple days after our wedding, and we woke up in Australia, and I turned on my phone, and it was DK Publishing, and they sent us an email, and we were both like, whoa!
Wow! I bet you've had a lot of those moments, right? Because with this, your connection is an email account, and it's when you get these numbers, you're being flooded with opportunities. How do you decipher the ones you want to do and not just cook for the money?
Sure.
Yeah, it's an authentic, like if they come to us and we feel like we've used the product, like we've done it from Tabasco or NutriBullet, things that we use like day to day, we're like, yeah,
Yeah, we've turned down tons of brand deals because we only do it with people that we feel aligned with.
That's awesome. Well, listen, thank you guys so much for coming in.
Thank you.
And good luck with the cookbook.
I've seen a lot of these books before, meal prep books. I've seen them online. It's called Healthy Meal Prep. Go support them. It's a really, really, really good book with a lot of good stuff in it.
And subscribe to their YouTube channel. And thanks for coming in, guys.
Thank you so much.
All right, you're listening to The Launch in the Morning.
All right, we have a few hours before we head over to our next book event here in Orlando, so we are gonna head over to Universal Studios City Walk for a little fun.
Oh my God, it's like a mountain over there, bro.
Adam has never been to Universal Studios.
Oh, man.
Nick and I have twice as kids. Super fun. Highly recommend Universal. But we don't have too much time today, so we're just gonna go head over to City Walk.
wow.
Oh, wow.
Let's go! Woo! Woo! That good? Scared the shit out of me.
Scared the crap out of me.
That was funny. Hey, you said get excited. No, it was good. It was great. Steph doesn't say it was funny. Do I look like a dad right now? I think I've got the dad getup. What is up, people? We're rolling through Universal Orlando. Universal Studios. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah. First time AB's in Universal. Let's go.
Yes. All the nostalgia.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Come on, bro.
Wow, they have 2 Harry Potter places now.
It's for you, Nick. SpongeBob, this way.
Is that usually turning?
That's what I thought. Oh yeah, here we go. And we're leaving. It would have cost like $400 for the 3 of us to just go hang out at the Harry Potter world. But we only have like 3 hours, so it's a little too stressful to spend $400. Yeah, we need to start Patreon so that we could have gone to Universal. So we decided to take a ferry ride because we couldn't get into the park, so we're just gonna spend some time on the ferry